This is the cupboard you guys are going to build. Okay, so let's just quickly run through the structure of a cupboard. Once you've designed, this is the list of pieces of the dimensions of every part that makes up the cupboard. If you want to finish the cupboard with a different color, white peen is usually the most affordable melamine that you get, so we use that inside mostly. The kick plates. Okay, so I just want to demonstrate to you how it comes together, and then I'm going to flip it around and show you how we measure it in real life. From the top, you can just understand how it works. Importantly, these lips, okay? The kick plate actually rests upon that. Don't try to get your kick plate flat there.